This mighty cheese fries keeps me up at night. You can never go wrong with chicken and biscuit unless they're dry. It was sweet, fruity, and ain't dry. The cheese sauce and white sour cream are compatible like a married couple. The sprinkled spring onion is the cherry on top, but I still prefer the KFC version. Just some sweet, simple honey biscuits are amazing. This Christmas limited edition fried chicken are super garlicky and have a strong herbs taste. It will be so amazing to eat it with rice. And the chicken is so juicy like my egg.